Ever wonder why your phone gets hot when you're gaming? Or why your laptop fan sounds like a jet engine? It's not just you. The answer is simple. Chips overheat. But the real question is, why? Let's break it down. First up, power creates heat. Think about it. Inside every single chip, there are billions of tiny switches called transistors, flipping on and off billions of times a second. Every time a switch flips, it uses a tiny bit of electrical energy. Now, multiply that by billions of transistors, all flipping at once. That energy doesn't just disappear. It turns into heat. The more work your chip does, the more power it needs, and the more heat it generates. It's a fundamental law of physics. Energy conversion is never 100% efficient, and the waste product is almost always heat. So, that powerful processor you love, it's basically a tiny, high-tech space heater. Next, speed increases heat. We all want faster devices, right? Faster downloads, smoother graphics, instant responses. But to make chips faster, we have to make those little transistors switch on and off even more quickly. The faster they switch, the more power they consume in a given amount of time. And as we just learned, more power equals more heat. It's a double-edged sword. Pushing for higher clock speeds and more performance directly cranks up the temperature. This is why overclocking your PC requires some serious cooling solutions, literally pushing the chip to generate heat faster than it was designed to handle. Finally, cooling is what ultimately limits performance. You can have the most powerful chip design in the world, but if you can't get the heat away from it fast enough, it's useless. When a chip gets too hot, it has to slow itself down to prevent damage. This is called thermal throttling. It's your device's self-preservation instinct kicking in. That's why we have heat sinks, fans, and even liquid cooling systems. They're all designed to pull that heat away and keep the chip in its optimal temperature range. The better the cooling, the longer the chip can maintain its peak performance without slowing down. So, the next time your device feels slow, it might just be trying to cool off. So, there you have it. Chips overheat because using power creates heat. Going faster creates even more heat, and our ability to cool them down is the ultimate bottleneck. No matter how clever our engineering gets, in the end, physics always wins. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.